Okay, welcome to another shop talk. Quick one today. I'm going to announce the winner of the FC Tools base plate for the 18 volt or 240 volt Makita router, handheld router. So the original base you get will be like this. It comes on one of these slotted systems. And what you're doing here is you're removing the 4 screws and putting one of these on. And this gives you two things. Gives you a better base, because it's quite a heavy, top heavy machine. This gives you better base to feel, as you know, to hold as you're balancing it. Also gives you a nice straight edge to run along. And the other thing is it gives you the ability to use the inserts, the brass inserts. So all these standard brass inserts, they'll go straight inside that plate, and then you can use it as a sort of copying ring or offsets, whatever you want to do for your guided stuff. So it's a really cool plate. This was actually something that I bought. I've now got the newer model. Not a lot different, but they now do a different one with a little logo. I got that when I bought my RAL one as well. I've got one that slides on the RAL, which I showed you last week. Put a link in the description to showing you all about this thing here. Another little thing I want to point out, and I'll put a link in the description. I mentioned I was going to get a second base, or the kind of the sleeve, if you like. Now, this is the Makita one that come with it, and this is a copy, I believe, sort of like a knockoff. It was under £10, and just so I don't have to keep changing the bases, works perfectly. I'll put a link in the description. You'll be able to find it in my Amazon shop. I bought it on Amazon, so you can buy this from the shop on Amazon. I've not found anything wrong with it. Works really well. Just sit straight on, just like the original, and then you can adjust it up and down, whatever. It's actually a little bit tighter than the original, maybe because it's new. But it just gives you the option to be able to swap out plates rather than keep doing it. So anyway, okay, I was hoping to announce the winner, and this is probably my fault. It's the way I worded it. I've actually struggled to find somebody that is subscribed on all 3 things, which is the new channel, this channel, and my Instagram, and actually liked and commented on a post. I'm going to put a link. We'll start again. I'm going to put a link in the description for my Instagram post, for my new channel post on YouTube, and this particular video now. Hope that's clear. Please just say, I want to win the router base on all 3 videos. One is on Instagram, one is on my new channel, one is on this channel. And make sure you're subscribed on the new channel, the Instagram, and this. And I will send this out to you anywhere in the world next week. I'll announce the winner. So not much more this week. I can show you the table top, which is coming on really well. So this is looking wonderful. Maybe you saw it before. It's getting there. I've had to cover some stuff at the end. It's a clear pour, and it's really, really not drying quickly, because down here on the floor, it is freezing. Just worried about bits going in there. It's always a problem. It's just not drying very well. I've had the heater on for a bit, but we'll see. So I don't want to go on too much about coronavirus. We all know it's there. It's horrible for everybody. For Mother's Day today, we couldn't visit our mums and stuff. It's horrible. But I've got a little bit of tidying up to do in this shop. I think I've lost a couple of orders. I'm sure we all have. So I've decided to have a bit of a spring clean, just a minor one. And I was just thinking, if any of you are stuck in your workshops, or you got your little workshops, you're stuck off work, what I might do is I'm going to put a couple of little boxes together, some offcuts, some with resin, some bigger ones with resin. I've got all of this to sort through. So lots of oak, some walnut, mahogany, all kinds of stuff there. Offcuts like this, which I'm going to chop up. I just thought it might be nice to do another little competition for people who are into wood turning, because it's only going to be small bits. I mean, there might be enough in there to make a small chopping board, but it's really for wood turners. So I don't know, I don't actually do any wood turning, so I don't know if any of my subscribers do any wood turning. But next weekend, I'm going to announce a little competitions, just a heads up. I'm going to put a couple of these little boxes together, not tons of stuff, but I'll send it wherever you are. I really wanted to send it to the UK because it can be quite heavy. But I'm going to just put together some boxes, offcuts of resin and wood, just some nice bits of wood as well. All little sections, mainly for turning. So next week I'll come up with a competition. Again, you'll need to be just subscribed to my 3 things, which is this channel, my other channel, and my Instagram. I'll put a little post next week when I start the competition. Maybe there'll be some winners for some little offcuts for wood turning. Anyway, hope you have a rest of a lovely Mother's Day, everybody. I know it's been a difficult day for everyone today, and I hope you're all good. I'll see you all on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye.